To modify your profile information, it is necessary to access your account settings. The specific steps for doing so will vary depending on the platform or service you are using. However, the general process usually involves the following. Firstly, locate the account settings menu. This is often found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, or within the Settings or Preferences section of the website or application. Secondly, once you have accessed the account settings menu, look for options related to personal information, profile details, or account information. Common editable fields include your name, email address, phone number, profile picture, and other personal details. Thirdly, click on the field you wish to modify. Enter the new information and save the changes. Be sure to double-check the accuracy of the information before saving. In some cases, you may need to verify your changes via email or phone number for security reasons. If you encounter any difficulties, consult the help documentation or support resources provided by the platform or service. These resources often contain detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips for managing your account profile. Remember to keep your account information up to date to ensure you receive important notifications and communications, and to maintain the accuracy of your online presence. When selecting a profile picture, choose an image that represents you professionally or personally, depending on the context of the platform. Keep the image appropriate and respectful. Consider the visibility settings for your profile information. Most platforms allow you to control who can see your profile details. Choose the privacy settings that best align with your comfort level and desired level of exposure. Regularly review your account settings to ensure that your information is accurate and your privacy settings are configured to your preferences. If you are unsure about any aspect of managing your profile information, seek assistance from the platform's help resources or contact the support team. Always prioritize the security of your account by using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. This will help protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Be cautious of phishing attempts or suspicious emails that may try to trick you into revealing your account credentials. Never share your password with anyone, and always log out of your account when using a public or shared computer. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure the security and privacy of your account and personal information. Updating your email address is crucial if you change email providers or want to use a different address for your account. This ensures that you continue to receive important notifications and communications from the platform. Similarly, keeping your phone number up to date is essential for account recovery and security purposes. If you change your phone number, be sure to update it in your account settings to avoid any issues with password resets or two-factor authentication. When providing your personal information, be mindful of the platform's privacy policy and how your data will be used. Understand your rights regarding your data and how you can control its use. Some platforms may allow you to download a copy of your data or request that your data be deleted. Familiarize yourself with these options and exercise them as needed. Regularly review the platform's privacy policy to stay informed of any changes to their data handling practices. If you have any concerns about the privacy of your data, contact the platform's privacy officer or consult with a privacy expert. Remember that your online profile is a representation of you, so take care to present yourself in a positive and professional manner. Avoid sharing offensive or inappropriate content that could damage your reputation. Be mindful of the impact your online activity can have on others and strive to create a positive and respectful online environment. By following these guidelines, you can effectively manage your profile information and maintain a secure and positive online presence. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, refer to the platform's help resources or contact their support team. Account settings typically include options to manage your notification preferences. You can customize which types of notifications you receive and how you receive them, such as via email, push notifications, or in-app messages. Adjusting your notification settings can help you stay informed about important updates and activities without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Review your notification settings periodically to ensure they are configured to your liking. Many platforms offer options to connect your account with other social media accounts or services. This can streamline your login process and allow you to share content across multiple platforms. However, be mindful of the privacy implications of linking your accounts and carefully consider which accounts you want to connect. You can usually manage your connected accounts in your account settings. If you no longer want to link an account, you can disconnect it at any time. Account security is paramount, so take advantage of all available security features offered by the platform. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. This requires you to enter a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password when you log in. Use a strong, unique password that is difficult to guess. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Keep your password confidential and never share it with anyone. Regularly update your password to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Be wary of phishing emails or suspicious links that may attempt to steal your login credentials. Always verify the legitimacy of a website or email before entering your password. If you suspect that your account has been compromised, immediately change your password and contact the platform's support team. Monitoring your account activity can help you detect any unauthorized access or suspicious behavior. Some platforms provide a log of your recent login activity, showing the date, time, and location of each login. If you notice any unfamiliar activity, investigate it immediately and take steps to secure your account. Consider using a password manager to securely store and manage your passwords. Password managers can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts and automatically fill them in when you log in. This eliminates the need to remember multiple passwords and reduces the risk of password theft. Choose a reputable password manager with strong security features. Regularly back up your account data to prevent data loss in case of account compromise or technical issues. Some platforms offer options to download a copy of your data, which you can then store securely on your own device or in the cloud. Backing up your data ensures that you can restore your account if something goes wrong. Be aware of the platform's terms of service and acceptable use policy. These documents outline the rules and guidelines for using the platform and what is considered acceptable behavior. Violating the terms of service can result in account suspension or termination. Familiarize yourself with the platform's policies and adhere to them at all times. If you encounter any content or behavior that violates the platform's policies, report it to the platform's moderators or support team. This helps maintain a safe and respectful online environment for all users. Be responsible and ethical in your online interactions. Respect the rights and opinions of others and avoid engaging in harassment, hate speech, or other harmful behavior. Remember that your actions online can have real-world consequences, so be mindful of the impact of your words and deeds. If you are unsure about the appropriateness of certain content or behavior, err on the side of caution and avoid it. It is always better to be respectful and considerate of others. Regularly review and update your account settings to ensure they reflect your current preferences and security needs. Account settings are not static and may change over time as the platform evolves and new features are added. Make it a habit to periodically check your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Staying informed about the platform's latest features and security updates can help you optimize your account and protect your privacy. Take the time to learn about these updates and implement them as appropriate. If you have any questions or concerns about managing your account, don't hesitate to seek help from the platform's support team or consult with a trusted expert. They can provide guidance and assistance to help you navigate the complexities of online account management. Remember that your online account is a valuable asset that should be protected and managed responsibly. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the security, privacy, and integrity of your account.